How to download and install Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this app. First of all, you must open your Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Ring. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now, here on the bottom, tap on this install button. So the process of installation has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is a security app. Basically, you can add different cameras and other gadgets too. So it's getting installed and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.